Hi, my name is Ethan. I work for Simplified Impact. Today I'm going to show you how to embed an image with Getty Images on WordPress. So, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to Google EmbedPress plugin. And then you're going to go and click the first thing that comes up, wordpress.com plugins/EmbedPress. And you're going to download this plugin. This plugin is great. It not only will allow you to embed your Getty image, it'll also enable you to embed literally anything that you can get a URL for. So I highly recommend it. Now that you have your plugin that you're going to download, you're going to go to plugins and go to add new. And you're just going to search up embed. And EmbedPress is the third thing that comes up for me. So you're going to activate that and download it. Now you're going to go to your post page. I'm going to work on the blog that I'm writing that is going to coincide with this video. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to find the image that you want to embed from Getty Images. We're going to use this one here. This is an example. We're going to take this URL. We're going to copy it. We're going to go to our EmbedPress little thing that comes up on the left here. I'm going to go to shortcode. I'm going to place my link in here. I'm going to generate my shortcode. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go back to my posts. I'm going to go to the text selection so I can embed plain text. I'm going to click Command V or Control V if you're on a PC. Now you have your little EmbedPress thing. You're going to click preview, and voila, you have a Getty image that has been embedded onto your WordPress blog. So I hope this helped. Please give us a like, follow, whatever. I saw a bunch of people were looking for this, so I just wanted to make a quick video about it. So thanks, bye.